Here are the steps to become a notary in Texas. First, to qualify to become a notary, you must be 18 or older, a legal resident of Texas, and you can't have any disqualifying offenses on your record. If you meet these qualifications, let's discuss how to get your notary commission in Texas. First up, visit the Secretary of State's website to review their frequently asked questions and notary education materials. Then, pay a course fee and complete the online training provided by the state. Before you apply, you must buy the state-required surety bond. Once you have your notary surety bond, set up an account on the Secretary of State portal to complete your application. When your application is approved, you'll get your commission certificate from the state within a few weeks. You'll take the commission certificate to a Texas notary who is already commissioned. They'll administer your oath of office, notarize the form, and keep it on file. You can view additional information about the Texas commissioning process by clicking the link in this video's description. Finally, you'll need to buy your official Texas Notary seal stamp, a notary journal, and a fee schedule. Also, there are a lot of optional supplies to help you carry out your day-to-day notary work, too. You might want to get a carry case that locks so that you can keep your supplies secure. Another highly recommended item to consider is Errors and Omissions insurance. It's completely optional, but if you ever make an error, an E&O policy protects you. It's an inexpensive way to give yourself peace of mind. Are you ready to become a notary in Texas? Then visit us at nationalnotary.org/Texas. Visit nationalnotary.org/Texas to get started today.